Namaskar. Welcome back to KNS Biochemistry channel. In this session, I am going to talk about a topic related to medical field. Suppose if we are visiting some hospitals or some medical shops or any place which is related to medical area, we can able to see some of the medical abbreviations or terms used there. Some terms written over there. If you read that terms or that abbreviations or some symbols, you see that as a common man we cannot understand that. But at the same time, the people who are working in that area, that is medical field, they will know the meaning of those things. They will understand the words. They will know the that is the expansion of the abbreviations. How do they know it? Because they are in that field. They read all those things. They understand that things, so it becomes easy for them. But for a common man, it looks like something new, some new words, or the words that cannot be pronounced, or the abbreviations that could not be expanded. So in that situation, so we'll feel that we have to know something about those medical terms. So this session is going to help you all, whoever is not there in the medical field, they can understand some of the words, some of the abbreviations used in medical field. So I'm going to talk about medical terminology, that is the words, the medical terms used in the field of medicine. So let us start the session now. So very important one is abbreviations, medical abbreviations and medical symbols. So now we are going to say about medical abbreviations. So what are these abbreviations? Abbreviations are the terms that have been shortened to letters. That is, it is the short form of some word is called abbreviation. So that is shortened to letters and or numbers for the sake of our convenience. For our convenience, we are using, for example, ECG. It is the abbreviation of electrocardiogram. So instead of saying electrocardiogram, you can simply say ECG. So that is the convenience. So this is called abbreviations. Then symbols. What are these symbols? Symbols are graphic representation of a term. You have a medical term. Instead of giving that term, you are giving some symbol there. For like your traffic symbols, where you can see that traffic symbols are displayed on the roadside. Same way you see that for medical terms also symbols are available. They are all graphical representation of a term. So abbreviations and symbols are extremely common in written and spoken language, especially in healthcare terminology, but can pose problems for healthcare workers. The Joint Commission has published a do not use list of dangerously confusing abbreviations, symbols and acronyms that should be avoided. So sometimes you see that these abbreviations or the symbols, acronyms, closely related symbols will be there. So some workers by seeing the symbol or this abbreviation without carefulness, they will misunderstand it. So that problem comes. So we have to see that confusing type of symbols or the abbreviations should not be used. It should be avoided. The Institute of Safe Medical Practice, it has provided a more extensive list of these symbols and abbreviations. Each healthcare organization should have an official list of these abbreviations and symbols, which includes the single meaning allowed for each abbreviation or the symbol. One abbreviation or the symbol must have only one meaning. It should not have more than two meanings. If it is having more than two meanings, then the workers will be confused. Which meaning I have to take in this context? The problem will come. So a list should be displayed, and for each symbol or each abbreviation there should be only one meaning. Examples of acceptable abbreviations and symbols will have following things, rules. Here you can see the simple abbreviations. If you say simple abbreviations, it is a combination of letters, alphabetical letters, very often with letters, but not always the first of significant word parts. It need not be word parts. And sometimes numbers. Numbers are also allowed along with the letters. IM. Here you can see one abbreviation, IM. Abbreviation for IM is, that is intramuscular. Intramuscular means IM. Intramuscular, that means it is pertaining to within the muscle. Inside the muscle, if you do something, it is intramuscular, IM. C2, second cervical vertebra. That is a second bone in neck. Neck bone is the cervical bone. The second bone of that cervical bone is called C2. Then acronyms. Acronyms means it is having abbreviations that are also pronounceable. CABG, 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 coronary artery bypass graft or bypass surgery. That is called bypass graft. A detour around a blockage in an artery of the heart. So that is called coronary artery bypass graft, CABG. TURP, 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 transurethral resection of the prostate. That is a surgical procedure that removes the prostate gland through the urethra. So that is called TURP. Transurethral resection of the prostate, TURP. Here you can see some of the common abbreviations. So each institution or each medical centers, they must have a list of abbreviations in their center. But there are some abbreviations, they are common everywhere, uniformly it is used everywhere. And we can see some of the common abbreviations used in medical terms. Sometimes these abbreviations are written with periods. Some time period will be specified. For example, ABD and AC. And sometimes different capitalization might be used and might convey a different meaning. So capitalization changes, the meaning also changes. Not all possible meanings for the abbreviations are given here. Unless you are certain about the meaning, ask the person who used the abbreviation. Sometimes you see the abbreviation will be used by one person. He may be having another meaning, but the person who is looking into the table may be getting that is assuming a different meaning. So if a abbreviation is confusing in such a way, you have to ask the person who has used that abbreviation and make it clear. Because if abbreviations are misunderstood, then in medical field problems will come. So here in the table you can see that abbreviation, the meaning for that abbreviation. Some of the common abbreviations used. A and P. This is an abbreviation. What is A and P? Anatomy and physiology. That is called A and P. Anatomy and physiology. A bar. See that symbol, abbreviation symbol A bar. Before. Double A bar. Of each. That is used in writing prescriptions. It is used as of each tablet or each that is procedure like that. ABD. ABD. What is ABD? Abdomen. Your abdomen, peritoneal cavity area is called abdomen. Similarly, ABG. ABG. Arterial blood gas. AC. Before meals. Sometimes people will misunderstand. A comes so after meals. They will misunderstand like that. So that is not correct. AC means before meals. ACLS. ACLS, Advanced Cardiac Life Support. Advanced Cardiac Life Support. That is, when you have some cardiac problem, you see that some life support will be given. So that is called Advanced Cardiac Life Support. Ad-lib. As much as desired. That is, one person may take more water, another person may not be taking more water, and third person will be taking too much water. So it differs from person to person. So when you are giving water to some patient or somebody, so in case of water, they will say you give water as much as they desire. Only water. Other food they will give restrictions. They will say as much as water they require you can give. So for that they will say ad-lib. Only they will write ad-lib. What is the ad-lib meaning? As much as desired by the patient you have to give. ADL. Activity of daily living. That is daily life. Activity of daily life living. AED. Automated external defibrillator. Automated external defibrillator. Okay, external defibrillator, that is AED. AF. Arterial fibrillation. Fibrillation in the artery. Then AIDS. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, like COVID-19. Okay. AK. Above the knee. Above the knee is AK. Above knee. AKA. Above the knee amputation. A slash, that is A dash line. Arterial line. AMA. Against medical advice. Small AMB. Ambulatory. AMI. Acute myocardial infarction. That is sudden blockage in the myocardial muscles, heart muscles. That is called infarction. Sudden blockage in the muscles. AMI. Then here you can see AMS, altered mental status. ANT means anterior portion of something. AO class 4, alert and oriented to person. That is 4 things to person, place, time and self. AP, antero-posterior, front to back, or action potential. For that also they are using same thing, AP, action potential. Angina pectoris, AP. Anterior pituitary also AP. Arterial pressure also AP. So for AP, so many see that expansions are there. So when you use AP, you must be very, very careful. So AP meaning changes from time to time or depending on the situation. Then APC, arterial premature complex, or otherwise activated protein C. Aspirin, phenacetin, caffeine. AQ, aquatic, that is aquatic AQ, that is called water, it's meaning water. ARDS, adult respiratory distress syndrome. ASA, aspirin is called, that is a tablet, it is simply abbreviated as ASA, that is acetyl salicylic acid, that is called aspirin. ASAP, ASAP, as soon as possible. ASHD, arteriosclerotic or atherosclerotic heart disease. AV or A-V, both see that anteroventricular arteriovenous triple B, bundle branch block. BID, by daily, that is called twice daily, BID. BKA, below the knee amputation, like AKA. Then BM, bowel movement, that alimentary canal movement, that's bowel movement. Then BP, blood pressure. BS, blood sugar or breath sounds, bowel sounds. Bachelor of Science degree. So here in US and all, they are using BS as for Bachelor of Science. But in India, we are not using this BS. Bachelor of Science, we are using BSc. Master of Science, MSc. But in US, they have the practice of this BS. So that is a degree there. BSA, body surface area. BX, biopsy. C, that is C with hyphen, that is means with, that is degree C, that is everyone knows degrees in Celsius or centigrade. Ca means calcium. This Ca, C capital A, it is cancer or cardiac arrest, chronological age, coronary artery, cold agglutinin. CABG, coronary artery bypass graft. CAD, coronary artery disease. CBC, complete blood count. CC, small cc, cubic centimeter. Capital CC or C/C, chief complaint. CCU, coronary care unit. CPU, that is another one. That is also used like intensive care unit, ICU. CPU is central processing unit of the computer. Intensive care unit, that is ICU, that is intensive care unit. This is CCU, coronary care unit. CHF, congestive heart failure. CI or CL minus, that is chloride. CM, small cm, centimeter. CM cube, cubic centimeter, the centimeter cube. CNS, central nervous system. C/O, complaining of. But in address and all, we are using care of. For that we are using C/O. Here it is complaining of. CO, C capital O, cardiac output, carbon monoxide. CO2 is carbon dioxide. Cold means chronic obstructive lungs disease. COPD, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. CP, chest pain, chemically pure or cerebral palsy. CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. Cardiopulmonary resuscitation, that is CPR. CRNA, certified registered nurse anesthetist, that is some nurse anesthetists are certified as CRNA. CRT, capillary refill time or cathode ray tube. CSF, cerebrospinal fluid. CSM, carotid sinus massage or otherwise cerebrospinal meningitis. CVA, cerebrovascular accident, that is accident in the cerebrovascular of the brain. This CSF is cerebrospinal fluid, which is the fluid which is moving in between the brain cells. Then CVP, central venous pressure. CXR, chest X-ray, that's called CXR. DNC, dilation and that is curettage. D/C, discontinue. DIFF, diff means differential. TIG, that is dig means digoxin, that is the compound. DM, diabetes mellitus. DOA, dead on arrival. DOE, dyspnea on exertion. DON, that is the director of nursing. Director of nursing is DON. DOS, dead on scene. Then DPT, diphtheria or pertussis, and tetanus toxoid. As three toxoid vaccine. That is a DPT. Diphtheria, tetanus, that is pertussis. DPT. DSD, dry sterile dressing. DTAP, diphtheria, tetanus toxoids, and acellular pertussis vaccine. This is the vaccine. DTP, diphtheria, tetanus toxoids, and pertussis vaccine. This is also a vaccine. This is also a DTS, that is delirium tremens. Then DVT, deep venous thrombosis. DVT, deep venous thrombosis. D5W, dextrose 5% in water, that is D5W. DX means diagnosis. ECG, electrocardiogram. ECG. ED means emergency department. OP means outpatient, like that. EDC, estimated date of confinement is EDC. EEG, electroencephalogram, which gives details about the brain. ECG gives details about the heart. Dear friends, hope you have become familiar with some of the medical terminologies, some of the terms used, some of the medical words which is commonly used in the medical area. I hope whoever is watching this session will come to know about those words that will help them a lot wherever they go. So I'll be giving more words, more informations about these medical terms in the other video sessions also. Until then, it is a bye from KNS Biochemistry. Thank you very much. Namaskar.